Good evening, guys. Now, for us to know how to make a swirl and edit sa PSAP. So first, naghanap ako ng swirl. Here it is. Na-save ko na po siya. And then, we will go to PSAP. Use your background. Choose any kind of background. And then, you add cut out, upload photo. There. I'm gonna put this one. Open. So, what are you going to do is, i-highlights nyo po itong mukha. Yung part po na gusto ninyo i-highlights. Yan. Okay. Okay, that's it. So, finish. There. Adjust nyo po yung picture. There. So, add cut out again. Upload photo. You will use the glitter. Glitter here. The violet one. Yan. So, gagawin po natin is like this. Mag-leave po kayo ng space para po makapasok po yung katawan. Medyo mahirap po siya kasi po netbook po yung gamit ko. And at the same time, I am doing video. I-use po natin siya. That's it. So, finish. There. So, i-adjust po natin yung glitter. Oops. Okay. It's up to you. Paano nyo po siya paanoin yung glitter. That's it. Yan po. Tatapos na po yung glitter natin. Thank you for watching.